Guess what? Lift 7's been replaced with this Monospace. I didn't find this out. It's 2 card readers, I don't know why. I will credit the Dragonfire or Ethan to finding this. Weird strange indicator logic. Yes, that's a KCE, I reckon. How's that always cracked? All buttons beep. I don't know why it has to do this. A blank button that doesn't do anything. I don't know the point of that is. It's really inefficient, to be honest. Going level's locked. This is what Kleeman has. Obviously a lot more steady than the Kleeman ones. LCD, of course. This thing is pretty interesting. That one doesn't do crap. The camera. Much bigger cab than it used to be when it was still EPL. Leveling's alright. One more ride to ground. And then we'll get out. That picture was taken before the lift was ripped out. Galley level is locked, as I said before. It's actually blank, which actually it makes it easier to tell the floors apart. 69 kilograms, 21 persons, which gives away NMX 14.